Shield your dashboard from harm. Your dashboard faces a constant onslaught of harmful UV rays, leading to fading, cracking, and deterioration. But with our revolutionary DashProtec PH covers, you can protect your car's interior and preserve its value. Our covers are crafted from high-quality materials, specifically designed to withstand the rigors of daily use and extreme temperatures. Say goodbye to unsightly cracks and discoloration. Our covers provide a barrier against sun damage, keeping your dashboard looking like new for years to come. Don't let sun exposure take a toll on your car's interior. Invest in our DashProtec PH covers for unmatched protection and peace of mind. Contact us today at 09754238142 to learn more about our premium dashboard covers and safeguard your vehicle from harm.